Jai Hind friends, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much whoever watched my video, and thank you for your love. And today I am in forest area. Today I'm going to show you some small river and forest. So just stay on my video and enjoy the beautiful mountain and the forest. So you can just see the view, but this is not like the final view. I'm going somewhere else, and you will see like how beautiful it is. So here is like very difficult to walk really, but still I'm going there on the road point because I don't scare for the falling. I will fall, I will stand, I will walk. Yeah, I'm freezing. So today is so cold. Today just I'm telling you it's so cold, and here is something amazing thing. Can you imagine? This is ice. So friends, I'm about to reach, but it was not easy to come here. It is very difficult. You can see the crystal. So I'm just sleeping, like already I have fall so many times, and one more times you can just see, but still I will go there. It's fine. There is a man who is doing the paragliding. Look at the view now. Can you see it? Oh my god, it's really very beautiful. So finally friends, I'm about to reach on my final destination where I want to go, but the way is not good. Like it was very difficult. You can see like very difficult, because ice already become a crystal form, so it's not snow anymore. It's very sleepy, I'm very I'm walking very carefully, because if I will slip from here, so I will go there without any break. So okay, it's fine. But in India there is like a famous actor. It's Imran Hasmi. He said like, if you will care about your way, your destination will be like minded, or like he will be not happy, like your destination will be not happy. So yeah, don't care about the way. You can see guys, the beauty of mountain and the river of beauty. See, oh my god, thanks to God, because finally I have reached here, because I have dreamed to reach in this place, and finally I have came here. You can see, finally I have came here. Yes. So you can just see, this is like a river. It's like passing the water from here, but it's become the crystal, so So thank you friends, whoever watched my video until the last. Thank you very much. I appreciate, and I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel. I will make some more video as I said on my previous video, and you see it's dangerous area, man. It's not easy, you know, but it's fine. I want to just tell you, it's fine. Like, if you really want to do something and you have courage to do, you can do. You can go anywhere where you want. You can do anything what you want. And finally I would like to say Jai Hind दोस्तों.